Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got another boss watch face for you all to check out. A super casual dress up watch face and or dress down. Now, the name of the watch face is called MWF023. Another one by Marty. Marty got down on the last one. This one is just as nice. Now, it's an analog watch face, and in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the most part. But when the watch face is on, you got these fun hands that screams super casual in a sense, right? You get the name of the developer up at the top in big bold letters. Now, I wish they could have either been smaller or not been there at all. This would have took this watch face definitely over the top. So you're going to get your battery info, you're going to get the date over here to your right. Down at the bottom is going to be your step status info. And just like I like it when they add the animation of your step guy that's walking right there. I thought that was a nice touch. Going to get calories burned, and of course you're going to get your step information, and you also get your heart rate. So I like the look of this window that separates this information so far as your step status is concerned, which isn't a bad look. So if I double tap right here, I can bring up my step status info, and over here I can bring up my calendar, set an event, and I can also tap on my heart rate and do the same thing, get my heart rate status information as well. So for a free watch face, this is nice. I like the black background, I like the index, and if you want to change the index, just tap right here and you can give the watch face a totally different look to a degree. What do you think, people? I thought it was nice. I thought the developer definitely did a good job, and I want to thank him for the donation in the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Tell me what you thought. Hit me in the comment section down below. And if you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.